Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am gonna show you on how to fix lag on Call of Duty Mobile using GFX Tool. Let me tell you what GFX Tool is. GFX Tool is a free utility launcher for specific games where you can fully customize the game graphics to get beautiful pictures and smooth gameplay. It helps gamers to unlock higher resolution and HDR gaming and a very smooth 60 FPS gaming experience and is completely free. You can use it and enable all the FPS levels with the GFX tool. So before I continue, make sure you like and subscribe and support me to help keep this channel running. So let's get started. After the app is launched, what you have to do is set the resolutions, the graphics, and the FPS, the rendering and GPU optimization. Now you have to start tricking the settings of Call of Duty Mobile. So you set any resolution, the graphics, and smooth. If your game version is a different one, select Garena or Beta, but my own version is global, so I choose global. Then the FPS, you set it to 40 or 60. The higher if your phone supports other devices. Then the styles you can select it to colorful or classic. Then all other settings of Call of Duty Mobile, you can get everything to low from default, then from disable to enable. So after is done, click accept, and it will change the settings before save. Before you launch, make sure you clear cache from the game. And you can also turn on force stop to stop the app if you are facing the issue. Then you can now launch the game. So we're now in the match. As you can see, all qualities has been reduced to the lowest for Call of Duty Mobile. And FPS has been increased and it now runs very much smoother without lag. I think is a good way to use GFX Tool to fix lag and increases FPS in Call of Duty Mobile. So thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe as your support will help keep this channel running and turn on notifications for more helpful videos.